Oi everybody, Juliana here. Welcome back to Bake Cook Travel. Today we're going on a train ride through the town of St. Jacobs in Waterloo, Ontario. Part of the Waterloo Central Railway's Heritage Scenic Train Ride series. Waterloo Central Railway offers a heritage hopper train tour, starting off at the famous St. Jacobs Farmers Market. Feel free to check out my longer video of St. Jacobs Farmers Market on my channel for more details. It's a great place for fresh food. I highly recommend it. St. Jacobs is about 1 hour from Toronto. For the train, you can park near the Farmers Market parking and walk to the station. After the market, there is a hop-on hop-off station at the St. Jacobs Village or downtown, which we will be checking out in more detail, and a final stop in Elmira before returning. The tickets rides can be purchased ahead of time and goes towards supporting operations and restoration. They have different rides for each season. You can check out their schedule on their website, and you can find the link in the description of this video. We went in the fall and was a nice time to go because it wasn't that busy. We got the first class tickets, but the whole train was nice and had a good view. You can pick between the table seats or couches. They have nice big windows for a great view of the country outside. From the departure to the first stop, it's pretty fast. The first stop was at St. Jacob Village. You can hop off on a little street and walk up to the main strip. A very cute little village to enjoy. Very nice stores. A beautiful bridge with a nice water view. Park and of course some good food options. Some of my St. Jacobs Village clips were taken in the winter. The butcher and market is a must-stop too. You can get amazing food and treats. They also have a restaurant area inside there that you can enjoy. Make sure to stop by this very interesting store, Hamel Brooms. They make brooms of course, and they have very cool stuff there. Very cool for those who like the Wizard and Christmas world. You also need to make a stop at the street shop. They have all kinds of fudges, candies, and much more. And we tried the most popular spot, the Village Biergarten, a very charming and cozy place. We love this place. It's very nice for warm days, with a beautiful patio. Very good beer options and delicious food. We tried their chicken wings, which were pretty tasty, and a very good bruschetta. You can also visit during the colder days and stay in their winter domes. They have heat inside and a full winter menu. So after some good food, we head back to our train. You just need to be aware of their schedule so you don't miss it. Now we can see more the landscape and enjoy the beautiful colors of the trees, changing for the fall. This ride also can include the wagon ride at Elmira if you want to. We didn't do it. We just headed back to the start point. That's it, everybody. I hope you enjoyed this experience and try to do it. It was a very nice time with the family. I totally recommend it. Hey guys, thank you so much for watching. If you like this video, make sure to drop a like here. If you're new here, make sure to subscribe here. On Bake Cook Travel, we always bring the best food adventures and food recipes. If you'd like to see more food recipes, click here, and for more food adventures, click here. See you in the next video.